Hi Mike. So this issue is related to creating payment using foreign currency other than USD basically. So I have this tenant and its home currency is INR, and if I go to the payment integration, I have created one reader for the location Mumbai, that is India. So Mumbai is the location and the reader location is Mumbai. Tenant's home currency is INR, and I created one customer whose home currency is also INR. The customer's currency is basically INR. And if I try to create payment for this user, for this customer, this error I'm getting. An error occurred when trying to initialize reader. The customer currency isn't supported by the reader in your country. I'm using customer's currency is INR, and the reader that I use, that reader's location is also India. So I'm expecting this to get processed, and if I check the Stripe documentation, INR is the supported currency and country. So here is the I tried. It's not just with the INR. Any currency other than yeah. So this is a supported currency. And if I try with any other currency other than USD, like Australian dollar or yen, Japanese yen, it is giving me the same error. Yeah. I check the logs also for this. And logs also said same, that the currency isn't supported. If I go to yeah, so this is here. I just got that card present, currency not supported, currency INR. So I tried for other currencies also. Let me show you that. Okay, not for this. I tried for other tenant. Yeah, for this tenant I tried Australian currency AUD, and the customer's currency was AUD, and the reader's location was also Australia. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.